Did you know there's a volcano bigger than the entire Hawaiian Islands combined? It's true, this colossal volcano dwarfs anything we have on Earth. This giant volcano isn't on Earth, it's on Mars. Yes, the red planet hosts this behemoth. Its name is Olympus Mons, and it's the largest volcano in our entire solar system. Standing at a staggering height of about 13.6 miles, it towers over any mountain or volcano on Earth. Imagine a mountain so tall it would reach from the bottom of the Grand Canyon to the top of Mount Everest, 3 times over. That's the sheer scale of Olympus Mons. That's how massive Olympus Mons is. Its base is so wide that it could cover the entire state of Arizona. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano. These types of volcanoes are known for their broad, shield-like shape. Shield volcanoes are broad and flat, kind of like a warrior shield. They are formed by lava flows that spread out over large distances, creating a wide, gently sloping profile. They are formed by lava flows that spread out over large distances. The lava is typically very fluid, allowing it to travel far from the eruption site. On Earth, volcanoes eventually stop growing because the Earth's tectonic plates move. This movement causes the volcanic activity to shift to new locations. But Mars doesn't have tectonic plates like Earth does. This lack of tectonic activity allows Olympus Mons to grow to such an enormous size, as the lava can continue to pile up in the same spot for millions of years. On Mars, volcanoes can keep erupting in the same spot for millions of years. This continuous volcanic activity is due to the lack of tectonic plate movement, which allows magma to rise repeatedly through the same channels. That's why Olympus Mons was able to grow so incredibly large. Over time, layer upon layer of lava built up, creating the largest volcano in the solar system. Its base would cover most of the state of Arizona. Imagine a single mountain sprawling across such a vast area. If you were standing on the surface of Mars, it would take days to walk around the entire base of Olympus Mons. The sheer scale of this volcano is almost unimaginable. But even from a distance, you wouldn't be able to see the top because of the planet's curvature. The horizon would obscure your view, making the summit invisible from afar. That's how massive this volcano is. Its enormity is difficult to grasp without seeing it firsthand. The peak of Olympus Mons rises 16 miles or 25 kilometers above the Martian plains. That's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. This colossal height makes it a truly awe-inspiring feature of the Martian landscape. Why is Olympus Mons so much larger than any volcano on Earth? There are 2 main reasons: Mars's low gravity and the lack of plate tectonics. Mars's gravity is much weaker than Earth's. This means that the lava flows on Mars can spread out much farther before they cool and solidify. Over millions of years, these lava flows built up to create the enormous volcano we see today. Another reason for Olympus Mons' size is the lack of plate tectonics on Mars. On Earth, the moving plates carry volcanoes away from their magma source, limiting their growth. Section 4, a peek inside. At the very top of Olympus Mons is a spectacular feature called a caldera. Imagine a giant bowl-shaped depression so big you could fit the city of Los Angeles inside. This caldera is a reminder of the volcano's powerful past. It was formed by multiple eruptions that caused the summit to collapse inward. The caldera's different layers tell us a story about Olympus Mons' eruption history. Each layer represents a different eruption. By studying these layers, scientists can learn about the types of eruptions that occurred and how they changed over time. Section 5. Looking back at Earth. As we gaze upon our home planet from the vastness of space, we are reminded of its beauty and fragility. The blue oceans, the swirling clouds, and the diverse landscapes all tell a story of life and resilience. Olympus Mons isn't just a Martian wonder, it's a window into the past. This colossal volcano, standing at nearly 22 kilometers high, dwarfs any mountain on Earth. Its sheer size and unique features provide scientists with invaluable insights. By studying this giant volcano, we can learn about the history of Mars and how volcanoes work on other planets. The volcanic rocks and formations tell a tale of ancient eruptions and geological processes that shaped the Martian surface over billions of years. It helps us understand how planets form and evolve. By comparing Olympus Mons to Earth's volcanoes, we can draw parallels and differences that enhance our knowledge of planetary science. Who knows what other secrets we might uncover as we continue to explore the vastness of space. Each mission, each discovery, brings us closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. Maybe one day humans will walk on Mars and climb the slopes of Olympus Mons. The dream of setting foot on another planet drives our exploration and fuels our imagination. Until then, we can continue to marvel at this giant from afar, and let it inspire us to keep exploring the universe and all its wonders. The mysteries of Mars and beyond await us, urging humanity to reach for the stars and expand our horizons.